Jesus Christ, this is unbelievable, guys. You won't believe what happened in this video, and I'm going to play you different video for you to watch and understand what happened in this very video. So it's still about Davido and the Muslim in Nigeria. Before I play the video, guys, let me quickly explain what really led to this, so that a lot of you that have not watched the video or that have not heard the news will understand better. So the Muslim community are calling for Davido head because of a song he played in the mosque, making those doing salat to dance, that is those praying in the mosque. So they said he has insulted Islam or Muslim, that he should apologize for it. A taboo for a Muslim to dance doing prayers, etc. But do you guys remember that Olamide once sang "See Mary, See Jesus"? Portable sang with "Pastor No One Go Heaven Again." Like a lot of Muslims have sang with Christian, make fun of Christian, and a lot of Christians have not said anything. But Muslims are always taking their own serious. So we start wasting much of our time. Okay, so this is the very video. This guy is a Davido artist. He was singing, and the people praying in mosque started dancing. This is what caused the whole issue. So right now, I'm going to play you a video. One of a Muslim brother, what he said in this very video. After that, I'm going to play you the video how they are burning everything about the video in all Muslim states. After that, I'll play you the other video. So guys, enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates.
This video is directed to Davido and Davido alone. If your name is not Davido, please back up, because I don't get how you guys feel the need to tell people how to react on their own problem. This guy promoted a video disrespecting Islam. I'm referring to this video. You must have watched it by now. People are coming out to tell Davido that they are not happy about the video, and some of you are speaking on Davido's behalf that we should not pick offense on the video. Like, who sent you? Is your surname Davido? Anyways, the Muslim community in Nigeria found this video disrespectful, and for crying out loud, some of you are even bringing Ashake's music of last year to the topic, saying Ashake did the same thing and danced in the church. Ashake danced in the church according to what you said, and he is a Muslim. But from all indication, you guys were not offended by that. You were happy with the song, you didn't say anything. And were you expecting Muslims to come out and ask you not to be happy about it? The same reason why no Muslim was there telling you how to react during Ashake's video is the same reason why we want you to let us react. Again, nobody is offended by Jalabia. Jalabia is a clothing Arab tradition. Last time I checked, there are Arab Christians, so it has nothing to do with the dress. But you see how they ended up including prayer in their musical video, and then ended up dancing and ridiculing prayer in the musical video. That's where the problem is. And some of you will go to the extent of saying, better talk about the insecurity and the poverty happening in the northern part of Nigeria. I beg your pardon, there is poverty and insecurity in every part of Nigeria, north, south, east, wherever. Some of you are just looking for a reason to talk about the north. The hate some of you have for northerners is alarming. Stop hating a whole tribe, a whole region because of what you were told about them. There are good and bad people everywhere, okay? Davido.